This study aims to assess different image rendering techniques in the postmortem computer tomography for the evaluation of biological health and profile in stranded cetacean in Hong Kong waters. This helps guide radiologists, clinicians, and veterinarians through the often difficult and complicated realm of the postmortem computer tomography image rendering and review. 8 image rendering techniques consist of both 2D and 3D rendering are routinely applied to each stranded cetacean for the biological health and profile investigation. The first one is multiplanar reconstruction, MPR. Display the default MPR from axial view, coronal view, and sagittal view after loading the series. Left-click hold mouse button on the centers of MPR crosshairs to concurrently adjust the region of interest and slice in 3 MPR images. Click rotate. Left-click hold mouse button and drag the mouse to rotate the MPR images. Click pan. Left-click hold mouse button and drag the mouse to adjust the location of image inside the panel. Click zoom. Left-click hold mouse button and drag the mouse to magnify or minify the image. Select the appropriate preset windows levels by clicking App 1, App 2, Head, Lung, Bone in the window leveled mini toolbar depending on the region of interest. Click Window Level, left-click hold mouse button and drag the mouse to adjust the window width and window level of CT slide.